excited to be sharing about the topic of selling digital products to more global customers and how you can make your expansion to target market a success. So let's get started. There are new people joining the consuming space by 2025. So that's actually not very far off from now. And this equates to about 4 billion of reach worldwide. And there's also another studies that shows that close to 88% of merchants believe that selling internationally is important for them to their long-term liability. Yet only 1/3 actually knows how to handle international transactions and payments. So what does all these studies actually shows us? Is that it's important to have a plan, and it takes more than a good product to make it successful. So today I'll be sharing some of the strategies on how we can make this possible through Rapid. So the true potential of selling online is to really reach out to as many shoppers and users as you can globally. So some of the pointers that I'll be speaking about today will be offering local payment methods, creating ease of checkout for your users. I also touch on virtual accounts, ledger system, as well as risk management. So over the next few slides, I will show how through Rapid capabilities can help businesses to actually create more unique payment experiences and to optimize the different stages of the payment journeys. So the first point that I want to share with you today is about Rapid Collect, which is one of our key product suite. So in Rapid, we actually offers more than 900 different payment method types combined in 100 over countries. So this includes bank transfer, e-wallets, cards, and cash. So it creates a very flexible solution for you to see what kind of payment methods you want to offer globally, by choosing the local preferred method. So we also found out that the reason why many shoppers abandon their card is because they don't have the comfort and convenience of choosing to pay it in their preferred local method. So it's much easier to actually change and convert all these browsers into buyers if you're actually able to offer the methods that they want to use to pay. Right, so this actually make it very fast and easy for them. And just this is a quick overview of our payment networks. As you can see some of the figures here on the right. One point that I want to emphasize is that all this integration is actually done through one single platform. So connecting merchants to all the different payment methods, payment disperse types, and then connecting you to merchants worldwide. So it actually varies significantly in different markets, right? We have in the Western world, some countries, they may prefer to use cards. In Southeast Asia, you cannot not have like e-wallets, right? Alipay, GrabPay, and things like that. Right, so what we do here is actually we handle the complexity, by leveraging on our deep local expertise on all these local markets, to build this infrastructure, and we handle the compliance, licensing part of things, so that you can actually focus on growing your business. So the next point I want to touch on is actually our checkout toolkit. So after you have decided which payment methods to offer, it's important to see how you want to make it available to users to pay. So the stakes are high, whether you are just thinking of offering your products internationally or you are thinking of a few new markets to try out. Because studies have shown that the checkout is actually the place where most of the buyers drop off, right? And one of the main reasons is because of trust. So they want to know that their payments are able to be handled securely. So through our platform, we can customize it to meet your brand. It's 3DS and PCI DSS certified. We also support 17 over languages. Cardholders can say some of their card details and things like that, etc. So if you create a very intuitive approach for them to pay, it's much easier to actually convert them and to grow your sales. So this actually work hand in hand with our Rapid Collect. So after you choose the payment method, you need to actually choose a way to make it deliver successfully. So the other point that I want to share is also virtual accounts. This is one of our very popular product that we have. So this is actually a solution for cost-effectively managing numerous payment relationships. So there's actually many benefits to this. You can improve your customer payment experience, right? It's actually a very familiar kind of experience as using like a bank transfer, because the VA number is not much different from a regular bank account number. And this also helped to reduce the financial exposures because it helped to protect merchants, easier access to working capital flow against like the moving interest rate and FX as well. So it creates more transparency, more funds visibility, and there's a lot of things you can actually do with VAs, right? So you can create maybe a single VA, or you can create like as many as you want. You can also have dedicated account for like a specific partner, customer of yours, or like country and currency. So this is actually work both ways to help you to actually increase more sales and expand your reach, as well as internally to manage your funds and reconciliation. I also want to touch a little bit about Rapid Wallet, which is the foundation, of all the product and services that we offer. So this is where, through the wallet, the master wallet and different customer and user wallet, that you collect payment, you disperse, or you do reconciliation. You can hold the FX, the funds, do some conversion as well. There's also inbuilt compliance that is within the whole wallet structure. So this will help you to open up new revenue stream, as well as to manage internal teams, your fund flow, visibility, and actually having some checks, right? We have the identity check of who is the wallet holder, etc. So this actually helps you to manage your business payment flows very well. And the last point that I want to touch on is risk management through Rapid Protect. So it's important to actually protect your business from risk without compromising the customer experience. So as a merchant, you need to actually understand your obligation to meet the local regulatory requirement, while also insulating yourself from security and fraud risks. So it's important to choose like a provider, that has all these inbuilt AML, sanction screening, KYC, KYB, that can help to make your job much easier. So no matter your business size, risk management is something that shouldn't be ignored. All right, so all in all, I think we can see that the payment space and financial services vary significantly from country to country. And while this presents great opportunity, there's also major challenges to do so at scale. So it's important to choose like a fintech as a service provider that actually can help you to resolve some of the complexity in dealing with local payments, increase conversion, manage risk, and for you to expand to more markets faster than ever. So selling internationally is a very rewarding experience, as it allows you to build relationship with merchants around the world. So I hope today's presentation was helpful in showing some pointers on some of the next steps that you can act on next, or some of the key pointers to look out for when you are looking for a provider. So if you have any questions about Rapid capabilities, or how to reach out to more customers, more audience, you can reach out to me or any of my colleagues here at the booth today. So yeah, thank you.